Yes, miss.
Miss Agnes, you're muted. Can we start, please?
Hello, everyone. Unmute yourselves and say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you today?
Hello.
Good. We are so you here. And do you know what is going to take place?
No.
No? Okay. Who knows? Someone said yes. Who knows what is going to happen? Beautiful. Thank you, Louisa. It is reception class assembly. It is our assembly. Dear parents, we're so excited to be with you. You are very, very welcome for reception class assembly.
Can you listen?
Yes.
Thank you. Over to you, Mr. Nisha.
Are you listening? Do you hear what they are saying, teaching? Okay.
All right. So, friends, are we all ready to do a dance? Do you want to do a shaky, shaky?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Touch here and say yes.
Okay.
And say yes.
Yeah.
Right. Give me a minute and then we do some dancing.
You have to do teachers. This teacher, this teacher, this teacher. You have to do teacher.
While you look for that, I see a friend who is wondering. We've got more teachers here. Hello, friends in giraffes. My name is Miss Agnes.
I'm Miss Sarah.
Yes.
And Miss Liz. You have met Miss Liz already.
Yes, friends, I'm sharing my screen right now. Then we are good to go. Can you see what's on my screen, friends?
No.
No. Yes.
Yeah. Can Tanisha, do you see?
Yes.
All right. Can I play the music now?
Yes.
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 Friends, you're seated. You need to get up.
Get up. Get up, baby.
There once was a troll who guarded a bridge, wouldn't let you pass until you did what he said. And a special request went something like this: stand up, turn around, sit down. Stand up, sit down. Stand up, turn around, and now sit down. Stand up, turn around, sit down. But then he said you had to do it faster. Again said the troll who guarded the bridge, he wouldn't let you pass until you did what he said. And a special request went something like this: stand up, turn around, sit down. Stand up, sit down.
That was all. Did you dance? Woo. Good job.
That was so nice to see all of you dancing. Thank you, Miss Liz.
Well,
Okay, friends, what did we do in our unit of inquiry? Do you remember? What was our first unit of inquiry?
Washing our body.
Washing our body. Yes, and what else did we learn?
It was hot. Washing clothes.
Washing clothes, brushing teeth, and what else did we learn about? Yes? Did we learn about our body parts also? Yeah, that's nice. So do you all want to see what we have learned?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So parents, we have been looking at who we are. So we have a small video for you all to see and that what we have been learning about. So here we go. Can you all see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you all see? Can you all hear the video?
Yes.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah. Whoa, we knew. Especially my eyes. Yeah. What happened? Who is that? Who is that? It's a message. Yes. A message. Yeah.
Miss Anila, all you can see is a message.
Teacher.
Oh,
Teacher sending a message.
sorry. Let me start again. Just a minute. Sorry. Can you see it now?
Yes.
All right. So let's start again. Okay.
Yes. Good morning, parents, teachers, and friends. Welcome to reception assembly. Our unit of worry is who we are. Luisa, that was you. How special. That was Luisa. Special. Who is me? Let's look at our characteristics. Of the screen. What is that, right? Head, sense organs, hands and legs. All these legs, our hands are fantastic. Our legs to move different places. It was for seeing, nose for smelling, for hearing, tongue for tasting. All respond to action to express our feelings. Like happy, like good, like angry, like excited. Oh, makes us happy. Things that make me happy. Watching television, playing football, swimming, playing video games, riding my bike. And these are the things that make me sad. When my brother fights me when I don't eat chips and chicken. Happy are cool. I've also looked changes over time. Yeah, I'm a baby. I cannot feed myself, I cannot walk, and I cannot jump. Here, I'm 5 years. I can jump, I can walk and feed myself. So is my Observed similarities in our family members. Ayush, this is my brother Anand. Anand is big. I'm short. Okay. Anand, I sleep more. Okay. Anand doesn't sleep more. What is it? Like 8. One girl. He's a boy. He has eyes and he has eyes that had light. This is the way I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. This is the way I comb my hair. Early in the morning. Bathe every day for our body to be clean. We must put on neat clothes because they make us smart. Thank you for being part of our.
Wow, that was nice, friends. You know so many things now. Well done. Can we clap for ourselves? Very nice. Thank you for joining in today. That was beautiful to see everybody there. Sarah, over to you.
Friends, we are glad that you know a lot of things now. Parents, we thank you for joining us and making it happen. Thank you for attending our assembly. Parents, thank you for joining in and making it happen. Friends, keep it up, job well done. We can clearly tell that you know a lot about yourself, okay?
And soon we're going to do something with Global Village. So let's get ready, friends, okay? Yeah.
Okay, let me get on my chair. Let me give the auntie.
Now,
Well done, Amira.
Yeah.
All right, so it's time to say goodbye. Are we ready to say the goodbye song?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Saying goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Saying goodbye to you.
Bye.
We are saying goodbye. We are saying goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice weekend, friends.
Bye.
Monday.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Bye.